Hi Foundation, this is Tuesday's Phonics. We're going to start off by saying some of our Phase 3 sounds. So I'm going to say them first and then I'd like you to pause the video and have a go at saying each of the sounds. J, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Qu, Ch, Sh, F, Ng, A, E, I, O. Did you get them right? You can practice saying some of our Phase 2 sounds as well. It's time to speed read some words now. Now these words have graphemes that we already know in them. But there's something missing in my word today. The middle sound is missing. Let's take a look at the picture and really listen carefully to that middle sound to find out which sound is missing. So we've got a picture of a boat. Boat. Say the word with me. Boat. This time we're going to listen for the middle sound. Boat. Did you guess it? That's right. It's O. The O digraph was missing. Let's read it together now. B-O-T. Boat. Have a look at the picture now. It's a picture of a tree. Have a look at the word. Which sound do you think is missing this time? Is it at the beginning or the end? That's right, it's at the end. So when we say the word tree, we need to listen to the sound at the end. Tree. Did you find out what the missing sound might be? T, R, E. Well done. It was a sound E. Let's have a go at reading the word. T, R, E. Tree. We've got our E digraph at the end. There's another word now. This time the missing sound is in the middle. So when we say the word, listen out for the middle sound. Rain. Rain. N. What's the missing sound? Say the word to help you. Well done, it was A. The digraph A. Let's read the word together. R-A-N. Rain. Now that we've read some words, it's time to read some tricky words. So it's going to be my turn first and I'd like you to listen. Then it will be your turn to read it back to me. My turn. He. Your turn. He. Well done. Can you think of a sentence using the word he? He was jumping. Ready? My turn. She. Your turn. She. Let's think of a sentence using the word she. She was writing. My turn. We. Your turn. We. We went to the park. My turn. Me. Your turn. Me. Can you help me with my coat? Let's read a sentence now. Can you spot our tricky word at the beginning? Can you read it? He. Well done. He can Ain't. Paint. He can paint. Use your reading finger to read it by yourself now. Can you spot a digraph in our sentence? We've got a new sound today. Which phonemes do we need for this sound? O and an O. When two O's come together, they make the sound O. It's trying to trick us. It does not make the sound O. When two O's work together, they make the sound O. Can you say it with me? O, O, O. I've got some pictures here, and the words include the sound O. Let's have a look. We've got a hook. Can you say the word with me? Listen out for the O sound. Hook, book, look, and cook. Where did you hear the sound in each of those words? That's right, it was in the middle. So the O digraph is a middle sound. Let's say them again and listen to the middle sound. Hook, book, look, and cook. Let's have a go at reading some O words. Look out for the digraph. Oo, k. Look. Can you point to the digraph in the word look? Have a go at reading it by yourself. Use the sound buttons to help you. Next one. B, O, k. Book. Can you spot the sound in the middle? Have a go at reading it. The last one. F, t. Foot. Point to the sound. And then have a go at reading it. We're going to speed read some words now. So here's my list of words. I'm going to have a go at blending the sounds to read each of the words, and then you can pause the video and have a go at reading them by yourself. Oo, k. Look. F, t. Foot. K, k. Cook. W, d. Wood. B, k. Book. What do you notice about the sound in each of those words? Have a go at reading them now. We've got a picture now of a foot. Can you hear the digraph? Foot. Let's have a go at using our sound fingers. F, t. Foot. How many sounds can you count? Let's do it one more time. See if we can do it a little bit faster now. F, t. Foot. Have a go at writing it into your learning book. Our digraph is here to help you. Remember, it's a middle sound, so you're going to have it in the middle of your word. Did you get it right? Let's read it to check. F, t. Foot. Now we've got 3 more pictures, and it's your turn to have a go at writing some words. Use your sound fingers to spell each word. So we've got wood, book, and hook. Write the list of words in your learning book. We're going to have a go at reading a sentence using our digraph now. Can you spot the digraph in our sentence? Well done. Here it is, in the middle of this word. Let's have a go at reading this word. K-u-k-s, cooks. It's in the middle of cooks. Right, I'd like you to take your reading finger and then read the sentence with me. We've got our tricky word at the beginning. Can you remember what it is? Remember, we can't sound out this word because it is a tricky word and we've got to remember it to read it. Well done. He cooks the fish. One more time. He cooks the fish. Now it's your turn. Think of a sentence for this picture that you could write into your learning book. They are looking at a book. So maybe your sentence might be, look at the book. Or she has a book. And you could use one of our tricky words in your sentence. She. Here is my sentence. Look at the book. Can you read it with me? Look at the book. Can you spot the digraph in our sentence? I've used a capital letter at the beginning to start my sentence. Can you check your sentence to see if you've got a capital letter? And then what have I got at the end of my sentence to finish it? What is it called? A full stop. Have you got a full stop at the end of your sentence? Have you remembered your finger spaces in between each of the words? Read your sentence back to check. We've got a challenge for you now. You're going to go on a word hunt looking for all the words in this story. So you need to sound out each of the words, just like we've been practicing in our phonics lesson today. Or your grown-up could read it for you, and you could say stop each time you hear an word in the story. See if you can circle them or point to them